I just can't do this stuff. I can't do this. Ah, try that again. Try that again. Take two. A bunch of companies are working together with the government to provide us with a butterscotch Biden. What is that? What does it entail? It's fantastic. You got AT&T working on this. No wait, was it T-Mobile? We won't get AT&T in trouble. It's T-Mobile with Tesla, Solar Direct, and you got Lowe's and Home Depot, and they're all working together to help you install a new butterscotch Biden. It comes fully Rona approved, and you got free Wi-Fi.
Likey